not. They're not. Also, I gotta set up the thumbnail, so we gotta get all the cars out here. The sun is about to go down, so we gotta hustle. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm sorry. The Subaru, it's not gonna make the photo shoot. I'm sorry. We're running out of daylight, but we have a Roncio Borealis next to a Roncio Argos. The colors are insane. We still got to get the Baby Mac, but the sun, it is dropping so quickly. But look at these colors. What?